So guys, right here I'm shooting at that big piece of wood down there. Hit it almost all the time. So down on that big piece of wood we set up a soda can. It was about 40 feet away, and got a really good shot off, first shot. So looking at that soda can I just shot at. So set up another can, hit it third shot. Still pretty good.
Go ahead, shoot in the wood.
So now so we chopped open that log that I was shooting at earlier, and the bullets went pretty far in, and they were all pretty much intact, so it's pretty dang cool.